We are covering simple and compound interest, a key topic within the arithmetic reasoning subtest of the AFOQT. Mastering these questions is crucial for your quantitative composite score. The most fundamental formula you must know is for simple interest. Interest equals principal times rate times time, or I equals PRT. Imagine an exam question stating you invest $2,000 at a 5% simple annual interest rate for 3 years. The interest earned would be $2,000 times 0.05 times 3, which equals $300. The most common trap on the AFOQT is messing up the units. The rate must be converted from a percentage to a decimal, so 5% becomes 0.05. Time must be in years, so if a question gives you 6 months, you must use 0.5 for t. Now let's move to compound interest. The formula looks more intimidating. A equals P times the quantity 1 plus R over N, all raised to the power of N times T. A represents the total amount in the account, not just the interest. N is the number of times interest is compounded per year. For interest compounded annually, N is 1. For semi-annually, N is 2, and for quarterly, N is 4. Let's take that same $2,000 at 5% for 3 years, but this time compounded annually. The total amount would be 2,000 times 1 plus 0.05 to the power of 3, which calculates to $2,315.25. To find only the interest earned, you must subtract the original principal. $2,315.25 minus $2,000 gives you $315.25 in interest. Notice this is $15.25 more than the simple interest calculation. This leads to another common exam trap, confusing the final amount with the interest earned. The simple interest formula gives you just the interest, while the compound interest formula gives you the total final amount. AFOQT questions love to ask for the difference between the two methods. Here's a mental shortcut to keep them straight. Simple is single, compound is climbing. Simple interest is a single calculation based only on the initial principal. Compound interest is always climbing because it calculates interest on the principal plus all the interest that has already piled up. Let's try an exam-style problem. An officer candidate invests $10,000. Option A offers a 6% simple interest rate for 4 years. Option B offers a 5.8% interest rate compounded annually for 4 years. Which option yields more interest? For option A, I equals 10,000 times 0.06 times 4, which equals $2,400. For option B, A equals 10,000 times 1 plus 0.058 to the power of 4, which is approximately $12,523. The interest is $2,523. Option B, despite the lower rate, yields more due to the power of compounding. The AFOQT will test your ability to perform these calculations accurately under time pressure. For free practice questions, AI-powered explanations, and more exam prep tools, visit openexamprep.com. That's openexamprep, all one word, .com.